Hey there, it's Molly, and I'm hanging out at moodfabrics.com working with product number 128020, Mood's Aqua and Chili Python Printed Silk Charmeuse. This product has a thin, soft hand, features no stretch or give, and is just mostly translucent. This product has a fluid, relaxed drape, and fiery red and pale art blue are two colors on the runway that just won't go away, and I'm totally fine with it because they're gorgeous. And to pair them with this python print is so radical. I think this would be lovely as a maxi shirt dress with the sleeves rolled up, paired with a nice thick belt and chunky sneakers.